Our Viking DNA tests provide a powerful, innovative, and interactive way to help you find your ancient Viking ancestors, trace your prehistorical Scandinavian lineages, and determine your ancient Nordic origins. The Vikings were known for their seafaring and trading abilities. They had a significant impact on the history and culture of Europe during the Viking Age that began after the 8th century AD. The Vikings were known for their fierce warrior reputation and their exploration and colonization of new lands. Our DNA test includes 27 real Icelandic Vikings, all dated to the early 9th century. You will learn about the rich history and culture of Iceland Vikings and their life stories. You will receive your genetic similarity to every Viking individual and learn about their genetic legacy. After a quarter of a millennium, you can finally reconnect with your Viking ancestors at a deeper level than ever imagined. Be a part of this 1,000-year-long quest to trace the origin of Vikings using the power of genetics. Take the test now and find out how related you are to medieval Icelandic Vikings. Remember,